Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. If you're new to my channel, hey, hi. If you're already watching me, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And today's video is going to be on this look, guys, which I absolutely love because it is goldeny, bronzy, browny color, which goes with everything that you wear. So yeah, I've already made 2 more videos, 2 more makeup tutorials for Navratri, Durga Puja, Garba. So if you haven't watched it yet, please do watch. I'll put it in the description box below for you guys. So if you like what you see, then please keep watching. But before getting into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe button, and then don't forget to click on the bell button as well, so that you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So I just washed my face, guys. My face feels very dry, stretchy. I want a very nice dewy base today, so I'm going to be using a sheet mask. For that, I've taken the Innisfree My Real Squeeze mask in the variant Fig. This is really very moisturizing, and the serum is also very lightweight and it absorbs into your skin very well. So I'm going to be using that because skin prep is very important for your makeup to stay in place for a long time and to stay without being cakey. So I'm just applying this face mask on my face. Guys, this isn't proper fit for me. It's quite big. It's not fitting me properly. So I'll be using it for 10 minutes now. Whatever is left out, I'll be massaging the serum on my neck also. So after, it's been like 15 minutes. So I'm just removing it. And I'm not throwing the mask away because it still has a lot of serum in it. So I'm just going to be applying on my hands, on my palm and everywhere, even on my neck. And even the packet also contains a lot of serum, so please do use that, don't throw it away. And I'm also going to be massaging my face under the eyes so that my concealer sits beautifully, and I'm giving a very nice massage. The serum just sinks into your skin beautifully, guys, so I really like it. And I'm also giving a nice massage to my neck. So my face, my skin feels extremely moisturized and plump. I really like it. Feels very soft and moist, my touch, as you can see. And for lip balm, I'm using the Biotic Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. Guys, this I've been loving it because it has a nice tint and it's also helping with the pigmentation in the lips. So it's beautiful. I really like it. And today first I'll be doing my eyes because there's going to be a lot of fallout. So I'm using a concealer which is from Maybelline and applying it on my eyelids to conceal the darkness that I have, and also for the eyeshadow to sit properly on my lids. So with the beauty blender, I'm blending it, and I'm also going to be setting it with the help of the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light. And for eyeshadow today, I'll be using the Huda Rose Gold Remastered palette and the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession palette. These two palettes are beautiful. I absolutely love this. So first, for transition shade, I'm going to be taking this light brown shade with the help of the blending brush. First, I'm just placing the pigment in the outer corner of the eyes. I'm not doing anything, as you can see. First, I'm just placing the pigment, dabbing the extra and placing the pigment in the outer corner of the eyes. After that, I'm just going to be using a windshield wiper motion and circular motion and blending it really well into the crease, concentrating more in the outer corner, and whatever is left out only I'll be taking it in the inner corner of the eyes along the crease. And I'm repeating the process again till I achieve the desired pigment. Take your time and blend it, guys. And I'm going to be taking this a brown, dark brown shade in another blending brush, and again I'm first placing the pigment in the outer portion of the eyes, dabbing the extra and again placing the pigment, and now blending the color inside the crease, along with the transition color. Blend everything together using the windshield wiper motion and the circular motion. This really blends the transition shade and this shade together, and it looks seamless as well. Take your time. And now I'm going to be taking this black color, and I'm taking a different brush and placing it just in the outer V, so that it gives a nice gradient, guys. It gives an illusion of bigger eyes, and it gives a nice definition. So first I'm just placing it, and with the help of a blending brush I'm blending all three colors together so you can see the gradient for yourself. It's beautiful. Do you see? Beautiful crease that we have achieved. And for the lid I'm taking this Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession palette, and I'm taking this bronze color, bronzy brown color, and I'm putting it in the middle portion of the eyelid, center portion of the eyelid. And I'm taking the champagne color and putting it in the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. So it gives, again, it creates a nice gradient, and it gives an illusion of bigger eyes, and it well defines also. And with the help of a blending brush I'm just blending the edges so that it looks seamless. And guys, there were a lot of fallouts since we are using shimmers, so I'm just wiping the fallouts with the help of the cotton pad and micellar water. And I want a very nice dewy finish, so I'm using MAC Strobe Cream in the variant Pink Light, and I'm applying all over the face. This gives a very beautiful finish. It just gives a natural, beautiful glow to your face, which I absolutely love. And for foundation, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Skin Finish Foundation. Again, this is a beautiful color. Again, this is a beautiful foundation. It isn't flat matte. It is a very dewy, natural finish foundation, which I absolutely love because I don't like flat matte foundation. So I'm applying it all over my face. I'm in the shade Warm Natural for your reference, and I'll put all the information, product information in the description box below for you guys, so please check it out. Do you see the finish? It's glass like beautiful. And for concealer, again I'm using the same concealer that I use for the lids. It's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Again, shade details, everything I'll put it in the description box below for you guys. I'm putting it under the eyes. I'm just adding it, I'm just dragging to the outer corner because I want the center portion of my face to be bright today. I'm applying it on the nose, chin, cupid's bow and forehead, and blending it really well into the skin with the help of the Beauty Blender. And my favorite part, for the cream contour, I've used the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade medium. First, I'm placing this product in the cheeks, on the forehead and on the jawline. I'll just place it with the help of the brush. And then I'm blending it with the help of the Beauty Blender. It just blends beautifully into your skin, guys. And to set my base, basically to set the concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. And I'm not going to be powdering my face all through the face because I want a dewy finish. I'm just setting the concealer because I don't want it to crease. And to set the cream contour, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild cream contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm putting it in the usual places like the cheeks, the jawline, the forehead, everywhere where I used to contour. And I'm also going to be contouring the nose, guys, because I really like a sharp nose. And for eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. Guys, I can never do my eyebrows without this. I'm obsessed with this product. First, I'm just combing my eyebrows with a spoolie and then filling in the gaps that I have. Nothing over the top. Very natural. This is such a beautiful product, you guys. And to make the eyebrow product look very natural, what I'm going to be doing is I'll just take setting powder, little setting powder, dab the extra and just apply it on the eyebrow so that it looks very, very natural. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the dark black shade from the Huda Beauty palette and putting it, and I'm just going to be smudging it along the lower lash line so that it looks very smoked out and beautiful. For eyeliner, I've taken the Kiko Milano eyeliner. It's pitch black, dark, and it's waterproof and it stays for a really long time. And what I love the most is it's matte, you guys. There are a lot of eyeliners that aren't matte, but this is matte. So I'm going to be creating a nice winged eyeliner with this. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Paradise mascara. It's a beautiful mascara. It's waterproof. It makes your eyelash. It makes your eyelashes voluminous, and it curls your lashes, and it gives a lot of volume. I'm going to be applying it on the upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. I don't know why I keep my face like this when I do my lower lashes. And for blush, I'm using MAC blush. Again, guys, shade I'll put it in the description box below. This is very pigmented, so I'm just dabbing the extra in my hands. Yet there was a lot of pigment on my cheek, which is fine. So whatever is left out, I'll be putting it on the nose as well, because I love to apply blush on my nose and chin as well. So for highlighter, I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle, which is beautiful. This just melts into your skin, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. So I've just applied it on the tip of the nose, on the cupid's bow, on the chin, on the high points of my cheeks. It just is blinding. Beautiful, guys. Gorgeous. I love it so much. And also on my forehead. And my most favorite part for the lip liner, I'm using my favorite K Beauty lip liner in the shade Hype. Guys, I cannot do without this. I'm again obsessed with this product. Yeah, I'm just outlining my lower lips and upper lips as well, because I barely have upper lip. It's a must for me to overline my lips. The color is again a very, very beautiful color, guys. It suits all skin tones. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the one from Bobbi Brown. This actually is like a gloss. This has a very glossy finish. So I'm just applying. It's a beautiful shade that matches my outfit beautifully. So my lips looks cutesy. Very, very beautiful. And for setting my base, I'm using the setting spray from Wet n Wild. And this, guys, is the finished look. Watching the video, guys. I hope you all like it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And yeah, please also post your valuable comments. I love reading your comments. And yeah, I'll hopefully catch you all, guys, in my next interesting video. And a very, very, very happy Navratri to everyone celebrating. Bye.